Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix the fast charging not working on Honor 200 Smart. So first we need to check our cable with another device. So I'm putting this here, and as you can see, the quick charge works. So now the next thing is to unplug the cable and check if it's not broken in any way. No, it's not. So I'm gonna plug it back inside. Next thing is to clean the pot with some non-metallic tool. So remember that it cannot be metallic. The best is cotton sticks. And when it's not working still, then power on your phone, go into settings, scroll down to system and updates, software update, and check for updates. Your software is up to date, but if yours is not, then update it. And now take your cable, plug it inside. Oh, it won't show you like that, so I need to do it again. And as you can see, it is fast charging. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.